Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see Dixon Technologies and Amber Enterprise. What are the future forecasting for these two shares and why they are rallying this much? Friends, after CMD announcement that India gonna be the world's largest electronic manufacturing hub apart India. Why also he explained that every country looking for alternative to China. So they think that India will be the best place to invest their money or to partner with Indian companies due to good benefits given by Indian government. And what are the things which looks positive for Amber and Dixon Technologies after budget means changes in customs duty to promote value additions in the electronic sector. So friends, the input parts are subparts of manufacturers of specified parts of mobile phones including printed circuit boards, camera modules, connectors. If you want to take these three components directly import from other countries, it has to be free up to now. But what government done is they increased from 0 to 2.5% customs duty, so they have to pay that 2.5% money to government. And the next thing is printed circuit boards, PCBA and moduled plastic for manufacturing of charger or adapters. That's previously 10%, now it increased 10 to 15%. So this is also very good. And inputs and parts other than PCB and module plastics of mobile chargers. Up to now it is nil. From budget onwards it increased to 10%. So friends, input parts and subparts for the manufacturing of lithium ion battery and battery packs also increased from 0 to 2.5%. So with this, India manufacturing sector company, that's Dixon Technologies, which having these are the working and already having capability everything. So that's why it is good for Dixon Technologies. So all the companies will give few orders to this company to get their products. And next thing is compressors of refrigerators or air conditioners, previously to 12.5, now they changed to 15%. So friends, earlier refrigerants which are used in refrigerators and air conditioners has banned imported from other countries. Now they done total refrigerators, compressors of refrigerators also kept in not kept in, increased the customs duty from 12.5 to 15%. With this, Amber Enterprise will gonna be good beneficial from this. So friends, next thing is specified insulator wires and cables from 7.5 to 10%, and specific parts of transfer such as brackets, wires, etc. nil to applicable rates, and LED lightings and fixtures including LED lamps. Friends, this is very important. Why? Because Amber and Dixon Technologies working for Philips lightings, and that customs duty increased from 5% to 10%. And next one is solar inverters and solar lanterns or solar lamps, 5 to 15% and 5 to 20% for solar inverters. But indirectly solar lanterns comes into Dixon Technologies. Why? Because they gonna manufacture LED lights. In lanterns nowadays we are getting LED lights itself. So it is also benefit for Amber Enterprises, sorry, Dixon Technologies. And friends, with this I am expecting the very good revenue generation will come in coming days due to summer and the vehicle demand. And Amber Enterprises works on increasing capacities, and Amber Enterprises looking for new area, that is metro stations. Up to now they are not in metros and air conditioning business. Now they are looking to enter into metro air conditioning business also. And government given that they are going to increase tier 2 metro works and extension of already in metro cities metros. So going to in detail of Amber Enterprises. Amber Enterprises business profile, it's have products in room air conditioners and AC components, non AC components, and PCBS, that means panel boards. And next one is mobile air conditioners, that means railway air conditioners, metro air conditioners, bus air conditioners, defense and telecommunication. And friends, these are the main things that Electra Green Tech also getting good orders, that electrical vehicles also give has these type of air conditions inside. And next thing is window room air conditions and split AC and heat exchangers. These are the electric motors, cappers. These are the main things which I am looking that route Amber Enterprises will give good benefits. Friends, I already mentioned these two parts, these two companies earlier itself. And friends, from 2000 to 3000, Amber Enterprises given me a good rally. And from Dixon Technologies, I picked at 8000. I seen before also, but I started my YouTube channel when it was at that point, and up to now it given 8000 to like 19,000. It's double, that means 100%. So friends, this is my view on Dixon Technologies and Amber Enterprises, how they are going to be rock the floor. I am thinking that Amber Enterprises still fresh interest will possible at 2900. So friends, this is my view on Amber Enterprises and Dixon Technologies. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel for more updates on stock news.